This video is sponsored by Granite Studio, RKTF University. India stressed that genuine reform of the UN Security Council to make it more legitimate, responsive, representative, and effective can only be achieved through expanding its membership in both permanent and non-permanent categories. Siddharth Chatterjee, UN China chief, creates buzz with extreme yoga demonstrations on Chinese social media, credits practice for physical and mental balance. Iran's President Raisi issues dire warning. Any actions against Iran's interests will face extensive and severe response, warns all parties involved. Controversy erupts as PM Rishi Sunak proposes smoking ban for under 15s, House of Commons set for high-stakes vote. Asifa Bhutto Zardari, daughter of former Pakistan PM Benazir Bhutto, sworn in as National Assembly member, succeeding her father President Asif Ali Zardari in N8207 Shahid Benazirabad. Ex-President Trump faces charges, launches into a tirade against judges and prosecutors, portraying himself as a victim and venting on social media. United States will work with 50 countries to prevent pandemics like COVID-19 in the future and develop better response mechanisms, according to a new partnership announced by the Joe Biden administration. Israel's war cabinet is all set to meet to discuss the response to Iran's weakened missile and drone attack amidst calls for restraint by allies anxious to avoid an escalation of conflict in West Asia. Apple's forthcoming iOS 18 is poised to redefine the iPhone experience with a groundbreaking array of AI features. Leveraging the capabilities of a powerful language model, Cupertino's tech giant aims to set new records or new standards in smartphone innovation. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's announcement of impending sanctions on Iran following the attack on Israel adds fuel to already heightened tensions in the region. The move underscores the Biden administration's firm stance against perceived threats to its allies. Apple is exploring the possibility of equipping future versions of the Apple Watch with a potentially life-saving feature: the ability to detect if a wearer is drowning in water. Amid French President Emmanuel Macron's call for an international truce during the Paris Olympics, the Kremlin has expressed reservations. They fear that Ukraine might exploit the ceasefire to regroup and rearm. The chief of the UN's atomic watchdog said on Monday that Iran had temporarily halted its nuclear facilities due to security considerations following its major missile and drone attack on Israel over the weekend. Analysts predict record high for gold as geopolitical tensions rise. Time to invest again. Surging demand for safe haven expected to drive yellow metal prices up amid Iran-Israel concerns. Mark Zuckerberg's response to Apple's Vision Pro raises concerns at Meta. Competition heating up in mixed reality space. To stay ahead, Meta eyes early customer engagement focusing on younger demographic. Over 45,000 Hong Kong students take new citizen and social development exam, replacing decade-long liberal studies test scrapped by pro-Beijing lawmakers.
ये सब आपके रिश्तेदार हैं?
बिजनेस पार्टनर है जी। ये दीदी बंगाल में बिजनेस संभालती हैं, वो चाचा बिहार में, ये यूपी में, ये मुंबई में और ये चेन्नई में, और इन्होंने हाल ही में खोली है दुकान दिल्ली में। पूरे देश में बिजनेस फैला है जी। सब कमाते हैं और मेरी बात तो खाते हैं।
ये इंडियन चीज है, चाइनीज नहीं।
दूल्हे तो आप ही हो ना?
और कौन होगा जी? देखिए, दादी का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है। सरनेम है, दौलत है, शोहरत है, इज्जत है, मतलब मिल जाएगी शादी के बाद जी।
हेलो, दूल्हा कौन होगा ये डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है अब तक। दूल्हा हम बनेंगे, इज्जत की कोई कमी नहीं है।
ए भाई, तुम तो रहने ही दो, हमारी दुकान ही से काफी बड़ी है। दूल्हा तो हम ही बनेंगे, है ना पापा? पापा, पापा।
सब बुर्बक, इसको तो हम बिहार में दूल्हा बना देंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे दूल्हा हम ही बनेंगे।
ओ काका, सारी शादियां क्या आपके ही घर में होगी क्या? और हम क्या यहाँ यूं ही दुकान खोल के बैठे हैं क्या?
ओ भाई, पिछली बार भी किसी दूसरे की बारात में दूल्हा बन गए थे आप। इस बार आपकी दुकान भी आपके नाम से नहीं है।
अरे रुको 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 रुको, इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे।
ओ दादा, दूल्हा तो इनके मैनेजर ही बनेगी।
हाँ, दूल्हा तो छोटे बाबा ही बनेंगे।
Yeah, it's absolutely right.
One second. Why not me?
वही बोल रहा हूँ, हम क्यों नहीं बन सकते?
ये दूल्हा नहीं, दूल्हा हम बनेंगे।
आणि माझं काय? मैं बनूंगा दूल्हा।
अरे दूल्हा मैं बनूंगा।
घर का टेंशन मत लो अंकल, शादी के बाद तो घर हमारा ही होगा ना।
आपको लगता है ये अपने बीच दूल्हा चुन सकते हैं? तो प्रधानमंत्री कैसे चुनेंगे? खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार। अब की बार 400 पार।
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
The ministry offices in Luton's Delhi, Hotel Janpath, as well as airport terminals. Granite Studio India, with its prestigious brands, rich experience, and the trust of our clients, can be your reliable partner. We are here for you, for innovating, processing, supplying, and executing in stone. Contact us today for our special sample kit.
Explosion at firecracker factory in Madhya Pradesh, Indore district leaves 3 workers injured. Preliminary reports suggest incident happened during Sutli bomb production. At least 29 Naxalites, including Naxal leader Shankar Rao with a reward of Rs 25 lakhs on his head, were killed in an encounter with security forces in Chhattisgarh's Kanker district. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP National Convener in judicial custody, seeks permission for video consultation with regular doctor due to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Plea filed before Special Judge Rakesh Syal, Enforcement Directorate given deadline to respond by April 18. Pakistani woman who allegedly or illegally entered India to be with lover, summoned by Noida Family Court, Seema Haider ordered to appear on May 27th. Report says Air India flights navigate through Iran-controlled airspace shortly before Tehran's aerial strike on Israel, raising safety concerns for passengers. Supreme Court granted a week's time to yoga guru Baba Ramdev and Patanjali Ayurveda Managing Director Acharya Balkrishna to rectify the alleged contempt after the duo offered to tender a public apology in the misleading advertisements case. Kota, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's constituency, known as hub for JEE and NEET aspirants, also grapples with alarming student suicide rates. 26 coaching students ended lives in 2023, marking highest ever toll. Election Commission of India issues strong condemnation of Congress leader Randeep Surjewala's remarks against BJP MP Hema Malini, bans him from election campaigning for 48 hours. Launching a blistering attack on the opposition bloc, India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said this election is to punish those who are against India's constitution and opposing the centre's efforts to make the country a Viksit Bharat. India's unemployment rate is likely to decline by as much as 97 basis points by 2028 as the country's economy hits the $5 trillion mark, fueling a rise in employment. Aditya Srivastav clinches top spot in UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023, securing first position in results announced on Tuesday. PM Modi said that Modi's guarantee card has been updated for the next 5 years, and it is for the first time that some parties' Sankalp Patra, that is also called the BJP's manifesto, is being called a guarantee card. A Chennai-based defense sector startup specializing in anti-drone technology recently clinched a contract worth over Rs 200 crore from the Defence Ministry. The company is now looking for its first export order this fiscal year as the central government has opened dialogue with other countries. Delhi Capitals head coach Ricky Ponting showed complete empathy for a struggling Glenn Maxwell, saying that constant pressure of being a star RCB player got to him and he made the right call of taking an indefinite mental and physical health break from the game.